Hey there, I'm Spencer and you're watching Moto Scout. But you already knew that because you know how to read. Hopefully. Recently I swapped out the factory pipes on my 2020 Triumph Speed Twin for the British Customs turnout pipes. And once I did that, I realized that these factory bar end mirrors look hecka wonky. So I ordered a set of the Motogadget Spy mirrors, glassless. I know nothing about them, but they looked cool on Revzilla's website. So I ordered them from Revzilla. So I figured we crack them open, we can learn all about them together. So stick around. All right. Savings so real you can almost touch them. Geico and Revzilla. Packing slip. And some mirrors. You know, I was actually expecting some way worse packaging. Oh, it looks like they offer a bunch of different ones. That's cool. Comes in these nice windowed boxes. I was expecting way worse. Here's our glassless mirror. Pretty nice. Oh wow, that is very stiff, which I guess you want. Pretty sweet. Get this other one out and we will swap these out, put them on the bike. After a painstaking 5 minutes, our brand new Motogadget bar end mirrors are installed. They are way better than the factory mirrors. At least they look better. I don't know how much better they function. They're much smaller, so field of view is going to be a little bit tighter. They are a little like warped to widen up that field of view a little bit, but you know, I don't really use my mirrors much anyways. I just kind of do the old shoulder check, so we'll see. We'll see if it's something that I notice, but they do look way better. There is one thing I did not consider because I don't read well on the old website. There's now kind of an annoying gap between the bar end and the bracket for the mirror. I know that there are some solutions for that. We'll see how much it actually annoys me or if I get used to it. But for now, they look awesome. So I'm stoked. Problem solved. Those ugly Mickey Mouse mirrors are gone. So I'm gonna clean up my mess here and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out.